Welcome to English Profound Path. Listen and practice. My daily morning routine. Every morning, when the sun peeks through my window, I have a routine that helps me start the day right. First, I wake up and stretch my arms and legs like a big yawn. Then, I walk to the kitchen and have a tasty breakfast. Sometimes it's cereal with milk or toast with butter and jam. While I eat, I think about the things I want to do. After breakfast, I take a nice warm shower. It feels so good and makes me feel awake. I brush my teeth to keep them healthy and shiny, and I comb my hair to make it neat. Picking out my clothes is like a little game. I choose comfy clothes that make me happy. Once I'm dressed, I check that I have my backpack and things I need for the day. Before I leave, I look at a list I made. It reminds me of important things to do, like homework or helping around the house. My morning routine makes me feel ready to face the day. It's like a special sequence of steps that give me energy and make me feel prepared. It's my own way of saying, "Good morning, world, here I come." An unexpected friendship. Once upon a time in a small village lived two very different creatures, a curious squirrel named Sammy and a shy rabbit named Rosie. Sammy loved exploring and climbing trees, while Rosie enjoyed staying in her cozy burrow. One sunny morning, while Sammy was leaping from branch to branch, he spotted Rosie near her burrow, looking sad. He hopped down and asked, "Why so glum, my friend?" Rosie explained that she wanted to see the world beyond her burrow, but was too nervous. Sammy grinned and said, "Don't worry, I'll be your guide." He took Rosie on thrilling tree-climbing adventures and showed her the beauty of the world from above. In return, Rosie taught Sammy the joy of staying still and listening to the rustling leaves. They shared stories and laughter, becoming the best of friends. Their friendship blossomed unexpectedly, proving that differences could create the strongest bonds. As time went on, Sammy wasn't just the adventurous squirrel anymore, and Rosie wasn't just the shy rabbit. They had become brave explorers, all because of their unexpected friendship. And so, their village learned that sometimes the most wonderful friendships can come from the most surprising places. My weekend activities. On weekends, I get to do some fun things and relax. It's a break from school and other activities. Saturday mornings start with breakfast. Sometimes I have cereal and other times I like pancakes with syrup. After breakfast, I often watch cartoons on TV for a little while. They make me laugh and feel happy. Later in the day, my family and I might go to the park. We play on the swings and run around. Sometimes we bring a picnic and enjoy it in the fresh air. It's a cozy day to relax. Sundays are usually quieter. I might read books or play games with my family at home. Sometimes we visit my grandparents on the weekend. I love spending time with them. They tell me stories and we have yummy snacks. In the evening, we watch a movie together or read a bedtime story. Then it's time to sleep and get ready for the new week. Weekends are great because I get to have fun, spend time with my family, and recharge for the week ahead. They're like little mini holidays and I look forward to them every week. Introducing myself. My name is Emma. I am 13 years old and I live in New York. I'm a school student. My teachers are kind and help me learn new things. I have many interests and hobbies. I love drawing, reading books, and playing cricket. I have a wonderful family that includes my parents and 2 siblings. I have a wonderful family that includes my parents and 2 siblings. We like to watch movies together. We like to watch movies together. We care for each other and share happy moments together. We care for each other and share happy moments together. My parents always encourage me to do my best. My parents always encourage me to do my best. I also have a cat who is my best friend. I also have a cat who is my best friend. We play together and have a lot of fun. We play together and have a lot of fun. My favorite subjects in school are science and English. My favorite subjects in school are science and English. I enjoy learning new things and trying my best in everything I do. I enjoy learning new things and trying my best in everything I do. I believe that being kind to others is important, and I try to be a good friend to everyone. I believe that being kind to others is important, and I try to be a good friend to everyone. In the future, I want to be a doctor. In the future, I want to be a doctor. I believe that with hard work and determination, I can achieve my dreams. I believe that with hard work and determination, I can achieve my dreams. That's a little bit about me. That's a little bit about me. I like making new friends and learning about different things. I like making new friends and learning about different things. My daily life. My daily life is like a well-rehearsed play, with routines and habits that bring structure and comfort. Each day begins with the cheerful chirping of birds outside my window. I start with a hearty breakfast, which gives me the energy to face the day. My mornings are dedicated to work or school. I tackle tasks and learn new things, trying to improve a little each day. Afternoons are a brief escape, a time for a quick chat with family, and maybe a short walk to refresh my mind. Evenings bring the promise of relaxation. I might lose myself in a good book or catch up on my favorite TV shows. Dinner is a family affair, a time for laughter and sharing stories. Nights are for dreams and rest, as I prepare to do it all over again the next day. My daily life is filled with small joys. It's in the aroma of morning coffee and the smiles of loved ones. These simple moments make my daily life special, and I cherish them dearly. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more learning.